Stop from Savannah. This is just a spec. Then I'll go to Shibuya, whatever. I'm late and I'm constantly dying. So it's 1:14. I have to leave for Asakusa right now, but I'm wearing this top from H&M and these jeans are from Levi's and of course my Pumas. Okay, bye. I got a lot of stuff from this street. I went to like four different stores, and I got a lot. Spent around 6k, I think, just here. Um, but now I'm going back to the hotel. I'll keep the stuff over there. Then I'll go to Shibuya, or I will go to Ichiran to eat first. Then I'll go to Shibuya, whatever is nearest. But the first store I went to, actually, वहाँ पे the owner or whoever the cashier was, he was so sweet. He he even asked where I'm from and everything, and he kept on saying like thank you for waiting and where are you from. That was the first time someone asked me where are you from here in Japan. So I felt really nice, and I felt good that I spent 4,300 over there. So yeah, now let's go eat something because I'm very hungry. Hey guys, so it is 23rd today and it is currently 4 a.m. 4:30ish. It is sun. It is not sunny, but there is light, which is very shocking क्योंकि इंडिया में अभी बहुत darkness हो रही होगी and वो car just flew by, but I was awake from 2 a.m. 2 a.m. almost 3 I woke up because when I came back from Ejiran I just went seedha to bed and I slept. So I didn't do anything, but right now I'm going to the convenience store to get something to eat because I'm a bit hungry. Okay, I'm running a bit late as usual, but I'm wearing this top from Savannah. This is just a spaghetti, and these pants are from H&M. I'm also wearing leggings underneath because it is very cold and my swelling has gotten worse. Jackets from Gap, obviously. So this is what I'm wearing. And now we're going to the flea market. Then we have Team Labs. Then we're going to Ginza. So it's a long, hectic day. And these pants have no pockets, so I can't even keep this anywhere. I have to keep it in that and keep opening it and closing it. So, anyways, it's 8 o'clock. We have to leave at 8 o'clock. So, we're leaving right now. I'm really out of breath, but I just reached the station. And my lips are too red, but I'm waiting for the train right now. The reason I left so early from the flea market is because I have a booking for Team Labs at 10:30. 10 to 11, 10 to 10:30. So I need to reach there before 10:30 so that I can leave. But yeah, I am late. I'm positively dying because I'm running so much. Oh my god. Okay, hi guys. Sorry for the crazy hair. I just took a shower like few minutes नहीं, like an hour ago, and मैंने अपने बाल निकाले नहीं from the towel. तो ये थोड़े कुछ ज़्यादा ही what is the word? They have poofed up too much than my liking. But tomorrow we have, oh my god, tomorrow which is the last day, we are going to Hakone, day trip. And I took the Hakone free day pass, whatever that's called. But I took that after doing a lot of research. Many people kept saying that it is more worth it because all of the transport price and everything, like expenses, comes under that only. My god, I look so dead. What the fuck? Okay, so the real so as you saw the clip before this, I bought a lot of stuff. Who would have thought I would buy a lot of stuff? Who would have thought? Never. I buy very little things, okay guys? I buy very little things. Anyways, so I spent total 5k in 3 different convenience stores. 5k. Okay. See, I wanted one ramen to eat right now, and I wanted onigiri, and I wanted some snacks to try at home. Okay. I took some food for tomorrow as well, like subha. Then I took some I'll just show you guys. So our first packet is from 7-Eleven. It is this big. Okay. Also, 7-Eleven was the only convenience store who gave me chopsticks, by the way. And I bought ramen from another convenience store as well, which I forgot the name. Probably मेरे को देख के याद आ जाएगा. They gave me 4 chopsticks. Damn. So okay. Anyways, so I got an onigiri. This is the tuna mayo. I tried the salmon one before, but I didn't really like it. I took out all the salmon inside that. Yes, I know that is a wastage, and I'm heavily sorry about that. But yeah. Then I stocked up on this ramen. This is what I wanted to find in all of the other two as well. So I couldn't find it in Family Mart or Lawson's. So I opened up my pictures because I had a picture of this, and I saw that it was just 7-Eleven ka bana hua. So I went there, and I got this, and then I got more stuff. So I got this is really good actually. Like my mom got this for me, and I really liked it. So I bought 3. One I'm going to eat right now, but I bought 3. Okay. Then I got this spicy and creamy tomato shin ramen. Shin ramen, Nongshim ka ramen. I wanted to try this. This is not available in India, so I wanted to try it. Then I got apple juice for tomorrow. I've been loving apple juice recently. Like मैं नीचे buffet में भी apple juice ही पीती जा रही हूँ. But yeah. And then I got this for tomorrow. I don't know what it is called. I cannot read Japanese, but I'm assuming this is soy flavored rice with seaweed and a half-boiled egg, soft-boiled egg. Pretty simple. But yeah, I got this for tomorrow. So I'm gonna put all the ramen in one except for the one I want to eat. Okay. Then we have what is this? This is, I think this is Lawson's. Yeah, I think this is Lawson's. I just got two things from here. So I got a Coke to drink right now. This is massive, by the way. Then I had this yesterday, and I really liked it. It's a fruit cream sandwich, but it has pineapple, it has orange, it has, I think, papaya, and yeah, it's just that. But it's really good. I've not had the strawberry one, but I feel like I really like this one. I would prefer this one. Even before I've had that one, the strawberry sando, I would prefer this one. Sorry, my opinion, sorry. Controversial opinions are thode. I'm gonna keep all my kal ka saman in one place. Okay. Oh god, I'm eating too much. But I don't eat during the day, so it is okay, I guess. I don't know. We'll see. Then we have our long-awaited. We have our long-awaited Family Mart. मैंने अभी लॉसन्स बोला था ना, ये सेम कंपनी के हैं क्या, सेम पैकेट्स हैं. एनीवेज Family Mart. So first I got a soft boiled egg. Hopefully iske whites are cooked, because I get a very big ick when the whites are not cooked in my egg. I hate my hair, how they look. I swear they'll turn out good tomorrow, but they are looking so bad right now. I am actually going to comb. Oh, also, my laptop lost its battery and I can't really charge it because there's no charging ports. So now I can't transfer my photos, and I don't want to post without my digicam के photos, because digicam के photos बहुत अच्छे आए हैं. So I'm in a very big dilemma. I mean, I had 3% battery yesterday, but I thought वो 3% battery सेव होके रुक जाएगी. So मेरे को अब एयरपोर्ट पे ही चार्ज करना पड़ेगा अपना लैपटॉप, and then I will be able to post my today and tomorrow का पूरी pictures, because I go day wise. Anyways, so this is the first thing that I got. I didn't translate it. मैंने बस देखा कि some seaweed looking type and sesame seeds हैं, so should be good. तो मैंने उठा लिया. Yeah, I don't really know, but ये हम घर जाके try करेंगे. Then I got some candies, but this is not for me, this is for my friends and my brother. So I got these. One I think is for me, I don't remember anymore, but yeah. Ooh, then I got Fami chicken, whatever it is called. I got this. I really wanted to try it. It's my last day here. कल तो I can't really eat इतना, because I'm going on a day trip anyways, तो पूरा दिन चला जाएगा. So as you can see, थोड़ा overboard चली गई. Then I got obviously the egg sando to put the Fami chicken in. This is also right now. Yes. Then I got this sweet and spicy ramen. Nongshim ka hi hai. I have not seen this in India, so I got it. Obviously. मेरा बस चले तो मैं सब कुछ उड़ा के ले जाऊँ, बट नहीं हो सकता, मेरे पास उतने पैसे नहीं हैं. Unfortunately, please Anant Ambani sponsor me to buy stuff, please. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna put it in my ramen ka bag. Then I got this. These are Dan Dan noodles. This I Google translated because I thought this was this. ठीक है, तो मैंने सोचा उठा लेती हूँ जस्ट इन केस. बट इट लुक्स सिमिलर. हाँ, पिक्चर वाइज सिमिलर लग रहा है. सी, सेम ग्रीन्स. ओके, ऑलमोस्ट सेम लुकिंग ग्रीन्स. सेम नूडल्स. ब्रॉथ लाल है. ये भी सेम ही लग रहा है. ओके. Okay, this is what I'm wearing. Today is Hakone. It is the 24th of May. This jacket is from Uniqlo. Bag is from North Face. Top is from Zara, and these are the same pants that I wore yesterday. I was gonna wear shorts with this, but it is very cold outside, so I'm not gonna do that to myself. That's why I wore this. But yeah, see, my hair is okay now. Yeah, okay.
机のカフェでは海賊船オリジナルブレンドコーヒーに冷たいお飲み物、生ビール、レモンまでご利用のお客様はそのままご乗船くださいませ。こちらは送迎代行でございます。
So I don't know how this happened, but I accidentally got on the wrong bus. And then उस बस से I don't know, I chat GPT'd a lot कि where do I go, I don't know where I'm going. And then I ended up at Moto Hakone को station stop, and then I got on the sightseeing cruise. Then I'm in the ropeway, and somehow I am alone. I am completely alone. I am the only person riding on this cable car. Insane, by the way, insane. I wanted to go to the old Hokkaido road as well. तो मैंने पूरा चैट जीपीटी करा कि प्लीज़ मेक मी अ न्यू आइटनरी, आई वांट टू डू दिस, आई वांट टू डू. तो आई विल डू दैट नाउ, लेटर नाउ. मैं अभी आई थिंक आई एम गोइंग टू वाकोडानी. I don't know. I am very confused. I am doing whatever. I am going with the flow. That is all. But I hope I get to see at least a small view of Mount Fuji. Hopefully. Lovely. Okay.
Please watch your step.